And connected with those conventions, let me do few sums. So here first I will be going to a radian measure. Radian measure. So examples here, we will be taking first one. The radius of a circle. The radius of a circle is 35 centimeters. Find the area of the sector enclosed by two radii, and an arc 45 of length 44 centimeters. Of length 44 centimeters. So here we will be going to, you can directly use formula also, but just to study that particular radian measure convention, we will be using two formula here. So one is L is equal to r theta and A is equal to half r square theta. So here if you split it 1 by 2 r into r theta is, this is L only, which is given directly and you can find out directly. But however, to learn about that particular radian measure, I will be taking this part as well as both the parts here. So here L is given to be 44 centimeters, R is given to be 35 centimeters. So let us find out theta. What is the measure of theta? According to this particular formula, theta is equal to L by R, and what that particular L is 44 centimeters and this is 35 centimeters. So here centimeters gets cancelled. So this portion will not be having any unit. So if it is not having unit, it implies that it is a constant convention. So now let us go through that particular area. That is area. So what that particular area is equal to half r square theta. So half r square is 3.5, this is 35 square means twice it is written, 35 into 35, and what that theta in radians is 44 upon 35. 44 upon 35. So we can cancel out 35. 2 1s are 2, 22s are. If you multiply 22 5s are 110, 22 3s are 66 plus 11 is 77 cm square. Cm square. Or you can directly do this problem without taking this. See, half r square theta can be written as half r into r theta, and r theta is L, which is directly given here, and you can do that one, but it is mere practice. So you can go through how to find out the angles in radian. Angles in radian. So now let us move to one more sum. The minute hand of a clock 3.5 centimeter long correction. The minute hand of a clock is, just you can add, is 3.5 centimeter long. Full point. Calculate the area calculate the area swept by it, in 20 minutes. In 20 minutes. So we must know how much angle is swept by the minute hand in 1 minute. So if you go through those particular numbers in the clock from 1 to 3, it will sweep an angle equal to 90 degrees, means by that it will be 15 minutes. So if you divide that 90 by 15, you will get the angle swept by the minute hand in 1 minute is equal to 90 by 15, that is nothing but 6. So you can write here solution, angle swept by minute hand in 1 minute is equal to 6 degrees. Therefore, in 20 minutes, angle swept is equal to 6 into 20, that is 120 degrees. But for calculation purpose, we would not have the values in degrees, but we should have values in radian. So we can convert that 120 degrees in radians. So 120 degrees in radians, is equal to how much? Say, if you want to convert in radians, multiply by pi by 180. Pi by 180. So this is 120 degrees into pi by 180 degrees, it will be in radian. So now if you cancel out, what your answer will be? So here 62s are, 63s are, so what it will be? It will be 2 pi by 3 radians. This is the conversion from degrees. So 120 degrees in radians, if you want, it will be equal to 2 pi by 3 radians. So now we can go through that particular area concept. What is given? What is the minute hand of the clock? The length itself is the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. So now let us write down the area. Therefore, what we will be having? R is equal to 3.5 centimeters, that is length of minute hand. Length of minute hand, and what that particular theta in radians is equal to? It will be equal to 2 pi by 3 radians. So what our formula is? A is equal to half r square theta. Half r square theta. So now you can accordingly substitute. So 2 is 2, 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, r square is 3.5 into 3.5, and what that theta is? 2 by 3 into pi, and that pi can be taken to be equal to 22 by 7. So 1 by 2 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 2 by 3 into 22 by 7. So here you can cancel 2 and 7 ones are 7, 0.5 are 0.5. So now you can multiply the convention. What this 0.5 is? It is nothing but 1 by 2. So 2 and 22, if you multiply these two, what you will get? You will get 11. And into 3.5 into 3.5, and that is divided by 2. Now you can multiply 11 5s are 55, and 11 3s are 33, plus 5 is 38, divided by 3. So now you go to 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 25, and 3 8s are, then you can take 3, what it is, cm square. Cm square. This way you can deal with a radian measure. With a radian measure.